It's recording already.
We can just cut it, doesn't matter.
Okay, whatever. Hello, so I'm Isaiah.
And I'm Elma.
Alright, and we are doing our CTA analysis project for CS 109, Fall 2017. So, who are we? I'm a first year chemistry major, hoping to transfer into chemical engineering.
And I'm a first year and majoring in biochem. I'm on a pre-pharmacy track.
Fun fact, we're both pretty bad at code, so let's see how this goes. What our data set is. So our data set was taken from the Chicago data portal, and it shows the monthly averages by type and the monthly totals for all the CTA bus routes back to 2001. So we took a portion of this data, specifically the dates from January 2016 to December 2016, to showcase more recent trends for the data analysis that we did. We can't do 2017 because that's still going on, so it's not quite finished and wouldn't be as accurate as the 2016, even though it's more recent.
So why did we choose this data? Well, we chose this because as a Chicago native, Isaiah grew up taking buses and trains to and from places to get around. He was simply intrigued to see how many rides does the CTA bus system give in a year, and to see how many people actually take the bus. I am not a native, so I simply agreed with his choice.
All right. So we pull up our function. It's called CTA analysis. I can spell, guys. And let's run it. So the user is automatically given a welcome message from us and 4 options: rides per month, rides per week in a given month, yearly weekend rides, and bus ID route. So we're just going to go down the list. Rides per month. As you can see, a line graph is outputted. On the x-axis, we have the month represented by numbers, 1 being January, 12 being December, and the rides per month in scientific notation. And as you can see, in March, there's a spike, and October to December, there's a downward trend, probably because it's getting cold. And we are also given the option of, would you like to continue your analysis? So we're going to click yes. Close this out. Rides per week in a given month. So the user is given 12 options, January through December. And you can click on any of these to showcase the analysis specific to the month. So we'll click on May. Again, we're given the would you like to continue function. And now we're given a bar graph. On the x-axis, we have the bus ID, which is just how many routes are being taken. Up to 140 routes are taken by the CTA at maximum a month. Some are usually down in given months, depending on if a bus route is down for that month. And rides per week on the y-axis, again in scientific notation, there's just too many to count. This bus right here appears to have been giving a lot of rides. So would you like to continue? Yes.
So now we get to our last 2 functions. First we have the yearly weekend rides. Let's click on that. So we get here a pie chart that shows us the CTA weekday versus the weekend rides in 2016. They're yearly. So we can see that the weekend rides are slightly, let's say, bigger than the yearly week rides. So would you like to continue? Yes. And we reach our final function, which is the bus ID route. So you have to enter a valid bus ID number. Let's go with 49. And the function outputs you the corresponding route. In our case, 49, the corresponding route is Western. So would you like to continue? Let's go with no since we finished. And then it just outputs us goodbye.
Yep. And that's our function, guys.
Thank you so much for listening to this.
And don't hate us.